Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether y'all are watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Real quickly, I want to say thank you to all the channel members. I appreciate you all. And I appreciate and want to thank anybody who comes in to watch my knife, my EDC content. If you're so inclined, if you hit the subscribe button down there and the bell notification icon, it'll not only notify you when I upload new content and go live, but it'll also really help me out. Today, I've got another knife from CMB Made Knives. My first CMB was the Predator that I bought a couple years ago, but they had sent me a couple of more budget knives to check out. The one that I unboxed yesterday, and this one that I'm unboxing today. And this is the CMB 10G, which is the G10 handled D2 blade, satin blade. The model's called the Lurker. Comes in this little white box. And I'm going to take my Amazon razor knife and see if I can get it out here without tearing it up. Alright. So the first thing we see is some troll candy. A pouch. CMB Made Knives sticker. Little instruction manual. What is CMB? Thanks for choosing our products. Care and maintenance. Warranty information all right there. With a sticker and a pouch. And some troll candy. Do not eat. And then in here we have more troll candy. A little microfiber cloth. A real nice pouch for sending knives around, which is what I use these for typically. So you got a nice pouch. And you've got, attention, you are buying on knife, keep the knife away from children. A little mistranslation there. But we'll open it either way. And like I say, this is going to be on their budget side, so I'm going to be kind of comparing this to some of the other budget knives that I've checked out so far this year from CJRB, from Civivi. The Predator was a knife I'd seen on Jared Neve's channel a long time ago, probably before I even started a channel. And it was a bar lock, looked really cool. Jared liked it. I bought it. I was not at all dissatisfied with it. I liked it. Ended up giving it away on a Friday Night Flicks. But the first thing I look at is just how the knife fits and feels in the hand. And so what I can tell you is the texturing on this G10 is very light, but it is textured. So you've got light texturing on the G10. You've got a perfectly centered blade. A back spacer that integrates with a lanyard hole, a flipper tab that's heavily jimped, a satin D2 blade that feels very, very sharp. You've also got a deployment slot, and guys, unlike the Civivis and even some of the Kaisers, this feels, in my hand, this particular model, like a full size or a bigger knife. It's probably going to be similar to the size to the PM2. When we do the review, we'll check that out. But it is wide, fills my hand. I barely feel the clip. It is a laser beam from the factory with the factory's edge. Again, D2. I don't know what the cost is on it yet, but I will before I do the review. I will have you all that information. Sorry about that. Just kind of getting in a little bit of a therapeutic cutting. It is very, very slicey. Flat ground blade. nice clip point / drop point blade, where you've got a really neutral handle. I do feel the clip. I don't feel it as to where it's a problem, but I can tell that it's there, that little spoon. Very nice chamfered edges, so it doesn't feel sharp underneath. You've got some jimping there. You've got, looks like stone wash on your flats, satin on your blade, and on your swedge here. Grinds look even. Liner lock. Drop shut action. You can push button it. You can light switch it. Middle finger flick it. The detent is strong on this one. Lockup is strong on this one. Got T6 for the body screws. You got a T8 for the pivot. See how it goes in and out of pocket. Goes in and out of pocket very easily. Even though I feel that clip slightly in my hand, it goes in and out of pocket very well. And I do have a feeling that this G10 was left rough. So as I carry this knife for a week or so before I do the review on it, maybe it'll oil up some. But you've got very little blade marking here. You've got D2 on the clip side, and you've got the CMB Knives logo on the show side. Nothing on the pivot. Thicker grind, so I think the knife will be a good worker. If you're looking for a low price worker, this might not be one to overlook, to give it a chance. It's got nice steel liners with weight relief. Again, ceramic detent balls, ceramic bearings. Flicks great. I'm not a thumb flicker guy, but it thumb flicks fine too because it's a liner lock. And then traditionalists like me have a multi-working flipper tab that's jimped all the way around. Whether you want to light switch it or push button it, it snaps into deployment. Middle finger flick. Whoop. And then the thumb flick. So guys, this is the CMB Lurker. Nice little drop point G10 D2 budget knife from CMB. We're going to check this out. I'm going to bring it to you as a review, see what you guys think about it. I think that's a flat grind. Let me check something real quick. Yeah, it's flat. So yeah, check it out. Do some beating on it. See what I think about it. Come back and give you my honest thoughts. Find out what it costs. Things like that. Give you all some real information when I come back. We'll weigh it. We'll measure it. We'll compare it to other knives. But thank you for watching the unboxing. If you're still here and you hadn't had a chance yet, I have to ask, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Or give me a thumbs down. Guys, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.